What is up, my FabFit fam? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I'm a little glim right now, and it is late. It is actually 10:30 to be exact, p.m. I usually don't film at night, but I was inspired to do some fall makeup. Do you guys want to see makeup tutorials again? Let me know if this is something you want to see. I know I have paused on my makeup because I'm kind of transitioning into what I want to do with this channel. But if you guys still want to see some makeup tutorials, let me know. If it is something that you guys want to see, it would be more of like get ready with me, chat type of video, like inspo and all that stuff. So if that is something that you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, before we get started, make sure you are subscribed, hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to hit that like, okay? Like the video. And before I get asked, because I didn't show my face routine or my lip, the lip combo I have on right now is the MAC lip pencil in Whirl and the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Saddle Up. These two right here. Cute. Alright, let's jump right into the video.
Alright, so I've already primed my eyelid with Elizabeth Mott primer, and now I'm going to be using Creme Brulee shadow. It's this nude color all over my lid, and just use a fluffy brush. Like you see, I'm just applying it all over the lid. No specific order, just everywhere to set that primer. Now I'm going to be using Inglot Freedom System eyeshadow in 335 matte, just this rusty orange color. As you can see here, I'm just applying it right above the crease area, doing it very softly, blending up and away from the actual eyelid. So more in the crease, but on the higher part of the crease, if that makes any sense. Now with some concealer, I'm just going to dot a little bit on my eyelid, open my eyes wide, and see where it leaves that mark on the top so I can cut the crease, as we call it. And it's more of a half cut crease, just on the inner part of the eye. Alright, now on to the Too Faced and Kandee Johnson palette, the I Want Candy. I'm going to be using a combination of Butterscotched, which is that shimmery, rusty orange color, and Sweet Toffee, which I did not show me applying. But I use a little bit on the outer crease and the Butterscotched just on the lid where I put the concealer. Now I'm using the Cinegence liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the color Garnet, so it's a liquid shadow that turns to a dry eyeshadow. It's the same company that produces Lip Sense, if you're familiar with that. Now I'm using the Cherry Blossom fake eyelashes in the style 523, and these are just very dramatic big eyelashes, but you can use whatever you like. Now for that inner corner pop, I'm using Makeup Geek Shimma Shimma. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's more of a champagne-y color, less pink, more on the neutral tone here. So, yep, that's what I used. And then I went ahead and carried down the Inglot 335 matte shadow on the lower lash line, cleaned it up a little bit, went ahead and did my face. If you're interested in the blush, I used OFRA Cosmetics Peach Blush and eyeshadow, which I actually used for the highlight. And then for my blush, I used Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Exposed. It's one of my all-time favorites. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know I use this blush religiously. is one of the only ones that I reach for nowadays. And the mascara was the Sephora Collection Lashcraft Length and Volume Mascara. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!